Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can connect our Ubisoft account with Steam account. So for that you need to open up this official website of Ubisoft, which is ubisoftconnect.com, and here you will see this option of download for PC. Just click on it and download it. After that, launch the Ubisoft launcher, and there go on the settings. Make sure that you logged into your account. After that, go into the settings, and there you will find the option of account linking. Just tick that mark, and after that, whenever you will try to open up any game using Steam, and after that a pop-up will appear on Ubisoft, and just accept it, and after that you will be able to link your Ubisoft with Steam account. And if you want to unlink it, just simply go to your settings and uncheck that box, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.